Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to edit your site title on Squarespace. I'll show you this on a desktop browser. Log into your Squarespace account and head to your account dashboard. You'll see your website displayed as a thumbnail or card. Click on it to select the site you want to edit. You'll see your site's homepage preview with all the editing options. Click the Edit button in the top left corner of the screen. This enters edit mode and you'll see the interface change to show all your editing tools. Hoverable elements become interactive. Next, hover your mouse over the header area at the top of your page. When you do, you'll see an Edit Site Header button appear as an overlay. Click that button. A panel opens on the side showing all your header customization options. Now, click directly on your site title or logo in the header. Once you click it, a small pencil icon appears next to it. Click that pencil icon. This opens the text field where you can edit your site title. You'll see a text field labeled Site Title. Click into it and type your new site title. As you type, your changes appear instantly in the header preview above. Keep in mind there's a 120 character limit for site titles, so keep it concise. Once you're satisfied with your new title, click the Save button to apply your changes. The Save button is typically in the top left corner or within the editor panel. After you click Save, the button may change appearance or show a confirmation that your changes have been saved. Click the Exit button to leave the editor. The Exit button is right near the Save button. Once you click Exit, you'll return to the normal site view and your new title will be displayed. Your new site title will show up everywhere, on your actual website, in browser tabs, in search engine results, and when people share your site on social media. The site title acts as your site's identity across the web. If you want more control over how your site title appears specifically in Google search results, you can edit the SEO title format separately. Head to Settings, then Marketing, then SEO, and you'll find those options there. Thanks for watching.